Hi guys, welcome to TechTime channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to add or how to change your profile picture in YouTube. So let's go to YouTube first. After go to YouTube, you will find top right corner your profile icon. Click on this one. Then just go to your channel, this option. Then you will find here your channel with your profile picture. If you want to change this profile picture, just put your cursor here and click on this camera icon. Now you can change or you can remove your profile picture. If you want to change it, you must click on this change, and you can add any profile picture from your computer. And if you want to remove this, just click on remove, and you have to upload your profile picture again if you want to upload this like this way. Okay, so guys, this is how you can do this. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.